And let's hope for a lot of clear weather moving forward, not just for stargazing at night, but for that eclipse coming up in a couple weeks. Today definitely wasn't clear. We had clearly a lot of snowfall. 5.5 inches measured at the Rockford Airport. Official total for today, at least for Rockford, second snowiest day this year, which just again emphasizes how dry February was. So far, our snowiest day was 2 months ago with 7 inches of snow on the 12th of January. In between, barely anything, only about an inch of snow in February, which makes today over 5 times more snowy than all of February. So that one-day total definitely racking up the totals for the spring and helping out with the winter totals too. Now, as we go into tomorrow, we get a break from the clouds and the showers. Lots of dry weather and sunshine to look forward to. Temperature-wise, though, getting pretty chilly. We're dipping below freezing tonight. We've had a lot of above freezing temperatures this evening, so hopefully that's helped to keep a lot of the snow off the roads. Any lingering water and slush may freeze late tonight, so be careful driving around in the morning because temperatures will be dropping all the way down into the low 20s to upper teens. That means single digits to teens for wind chills. Pretty bitter start to tomorrow morning. We do warm up nicely over the course of the morning thanks to all that sunshine, but overall, tomorrow is going to feel a lot more like the middle of January rather than late March. So not just the second snowiest today, we're going to kind of turn the clock back into the mid-30s, which means January weather for the start of the weekend. We do get back a little closer to average by Sunday. May see some flurries early, slight chance for rain late. As we start to be getting a little more active going into the end of the weekend as well as early next week. You look at Future Track, make it a dusting early Sunday morning thanks to some flurries moving through. Overall, the day after that looking fairly dry. Here's that slight chance for some rain. You can see that for the most part, showers keep tracking to our north, though, late Sunday. And then Monday to Tuesday, lots of rainfall coming through, at least a ½ inch plus, part of a soggy start to next week with a 2-day stretch of rainy weather. Temperatures by then, though, nearing 60 on Monday, back to the 50s on Tuesday, so it'll feel and look like spring within a couple days. Next week, kind of cool in the middle of the week. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we do see temperatures dancing back and forth between the 40s and 50s, maybe more chances for rain as we get into Easter weekend. We'll have to see if we're able to hold on to that as we get closer and closer to the holiday next week. In the 4-degree guarantee, a few degrees off the bullseye, but that still keeps our cash total growing up to $91 to round out this week.